is here with Ayman and Ria, full of cheer. Let's learn Punjabi, Buzzy said. Punjabi is fun, let's go ahead. Punjabi likhdi mazedar gal hai. Say it loud, come learn today. First comes the subject, that's who. Then comes the object, anything you can see and touch. Last is the verb, the action word. That's how we write Punjabi sentences. Aman mangoes eats, no, no, no. It's amnan ambakanda hai. Say it slow. First the subject, then the object. The verb comes last, that's correct. Remember to end with tundi dandy, the magic line. When it's a boy we say da, da. Can you hear that long ah? For a girl it's D, D. Stretch it out D like C. Boys in a group use their day. It's short and quick, come on say. Girls in a group use Dion, Dion. Say it slowly, Dion. Yes you can. First the subject, then the object. The verb comes last, that's correct. Aman mangoes eats, try again. It's aman ambakandai hai. Say it then, don't forget that final sign. Dundee, Dundee finishes the line. One person, we say hey, hi. Say it soft like a gentle sigh. Hi, hi, try it now. One nice and slow. More than one, then say hum hum. It rhymes with fun, isn't that fun? First the subject, next the object. The verb comes last, that's perfect. Aman kandai hai. Say each word, sound it out so it's clearly heard. Don't forget the final sign. One straight line. Oz with Buzzy, hop with glee. Punjabi bolna, it's easy, see? Aman, Ria and Buzzy say Chalo sakhiye, har roz kuj nama. Hooray! Happy learning friends, khushi naad sakhiye dosto. Don't forget the final sign.